I'm Ace, your science buddy.
And I am Robot, guiding to facts, logic, and knowledge. Together we will help you understand what is science.
Let's start simple. Science is a study of the natural world. It's a way to ask questions and find answers about how things work.
Science is not just a list of facts, it's a process. Scientists observe, test,
and experiment to understand patterns and explain what they see. If I smell something in the kitchen, I'd wonder where is that smell coming from? Then investigate, maybe it's cookies. I'm being curious.
And curiosity is the starting point of science. Without questions, there would be no discoveries. Science uses evidence, meaning scientists rely on data, experiments, and careful observations.
Science isn't the same as opinions or beliefs. Like if I say, chocolate is the best ice cream flavor, that is an opinion. An example of science could be measuring how fast ice cream melts at different temperatures. So we can define opinion as a personal preference, taste, or judgment.
Beliefs are important in people's lives, but they are not tested in the same way science is. Science must have evidence that can be tested and checked by others.
So when we talk about science, we mean a system of knowledge built from evidence, tests, and observations.
Science helps us do three main things. Number 1, describe the world. Second, explain why things happen. And third, predict what might happen in the future.
For example, scientists can describe how the sun rises every morning, explain that it is because the Earth spins on its axis, and predict that it will rise again tomorrow.
And science doesn't stop there. It also helps us solve problems from curing diseases to exploring space and inventing new technologies.
And maybe even helping dogs get more treats. How do scientists do science?
They use a method called the scientific method. It usually includes asking a question, doing background research, making a hypothesis, testing with experiments, analyzing results, sharing what they learned.
Science is like being a detective collecting clues, testing ideas, and seeing what's true.
And the best part, science is always changing. When new evidence comes in, scientists update their ideas.
Science isn't about having all the answers.
It's about finding better answers over time.
Science isn't just for scientists in labs.
Science is for everyone, even special learners like you, Ace. Science helps us understand the weather, the food we eat, the technology we use every day, even how our bodies work.
Without science, we wouldn't have airplanes, smartphones, or even medicine for when we get sick.
Science also helps us make better choices, like protecting the environment or deciding which new inventions are safe and useful. Science is for everyone.
So, what is science? It's curiosity, questions, evidence, and learning about the world around us.
It's a powerful tool to describe, explain, and predict the universe. Remember, opinions are personal, beliefs are meaningful.
But science is based on evidence.
And with evidence, we can keep exploring, discovering, and understanding.
Stay curious, ask questions.
And who knows, you might just make the next big discovery.